Arctic King portable air conditioners use beeping sounds as an important communication system to alert you about various conditions and errors that need your attention. When your Arctic King unit beeps, it's trying to tell you something specific. The most important step is to check the display panel for error codes that accompany the beeping. The most common cause of beeping is the P1 error code, which indicates a full water tray. This happens when condensate water has accumulated and needs to be drained. To resolve a P1 error, turn off and unplug the unit, carefully move it to a drain location, remove the bottom drain plug, and let all water drain completely before restarting. Arctic King units also display other error codes. E1 indicates a room temperature sensor problem, E2 signals an evaporator temperature sensor issue, E3 points to condenser sensor problems, and E4 means display panel communication error. It's important to distinguish between normal and problem beeping. Normal beeping occurs when you change settings like temperature or fan speed. However, constant beeping, especially with an 8.8 display, may indicate serious control board or compressor problems. Remember, accurate diagnosis always starts with checking the display panel or remote control for specific error codes. This will guide you to the right solution and prevent unnecessary troubleshooting steps. When your Arctic King air conditioner is constantly beeping, follow these systematic troubleshooting steps to identify and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check for error codes on the display panel. Look for codes like P1, E1, E2, E3, or E4, and consult your user manual for specific meanings and solutions. Step 2. If you see a P1 error code, drain the water tank immediately. Turn off and unplug the unit, move it to a drain location, remove the bottom drain plug, and let all water drain completely. Step 3. Verify the power connection. Ensure the unit is properly plugged into a working outlet, and check your circuit breaker or fuse box for any trip breakers or blown fuses. Step 4. Clean the air filter. A dirty filter is a common cause of beeping and should be cleaned every 2 weeks for optimal performance. Remove, wash, and completely dry the filter before reinstalling. Step 5. Inspect and clean the condenser coils. Dirty coils can cause fan malfunctions and beeping. Power down the unit completely and clean the coils with soapy water and a soft brush. Step 6. Check for blockages around the unit. Ensure all air vents and openings are clear of obstructions like furniture, curtains, or debris that could restrict airflow. Step 7. Try resetting the unit. Turn it off, unplug it from the wall for at least 5 minutes, then plug it back in and restart. This can clear temporary glitches causing the beeping. Step 8. If the beeping persists after trying these steps, or if you're uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, contact a qualified HVC technician for professional diagnosis and repair. Important safety reminder: always unplug the unit before cleaning or servicing it. This protects both you and the equipment from electrical hazards during maintenance.